Hello friends, here I have data of supermarket sales and it is order wise. You can see the order number here, then the order date followed by the customer name and then the shipment date, retail price of the product, and then there is the quantity ordered, the taxes and the total sales amount. So here I will show you how to get the sales date wise. Here you can see it is order wise, and for each date there are multiple orders. Like for 2nd of Jan there are two orders, for 3rd of Jan two orders. So I will show you how to get the sales on a particular day. So this column date is for entering date and this column is for getting the sales. So here I will enter some date like 01/01/2024. So 1st Jan, and then in sales column I'll write SUMIF, and then I will select the range of dates. After this I'll put a comma. Then for criteria I will select this date and then I will put another comma, and for sum range I will select this total sales, and then I will click enter. So now you can see that I got the sales of 1st January. So if I want to get sales of some other date, I can write the date here like 7 Jan 7/01/2024, and I will get the sales of 7th. Here you can see on 7th there are two orders and they are 164 and 142, totaling nearly 307. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.